What's up? Welcome back. This week I'm doing another grocery haul. I spent about $45 at Walmart and I'm making food for work. I have snacks, also fruit, a whole bunch of different things. So one of my good friends liked my other grocery haul, so I'm doing this for you, Maricela. So I hope you like it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe so I can bring you more content. So thanks, let's get this going. All right, so this is it. So like I mentioned previously, I am like Sandra Lee, semi-homemade, but not only is it semi-homemade, it's semi-healthy. Mostly healthy, but I'm not a nutritionist and I'm not counting my macros, so I don't want to give anyone the wrong idea of what my diet consists of. But to get started, I got my friend Manny put me on. He's Mexican and he does breakfast tacos. I already have eggs here at home, but I brought some tortillas and you basically make some scrambled eggs. You can throw some bacon in there, as well as the spinach that I got. I like spinach, but sometimes I'm not able to use the full bag, but you can throw this in smoothies, as well as you can do it with breakfast. And I'm actually gonna throw some in the pasta that I'm making for work. So spinach, multi-purpose, and getting through the bag is easier when you have a variety of things you can use the spinach for. I got 2 bags of fruit for morning smoothies that my friend Manny also put me on to. You save money rather than going to a smoothie shop and spending like $6 every time. I think I spent for both bags together like 12 bucks. It's frozen, so it lasts longer and it's easy to make. You just throw it maybe with some milk or almond milk. I like cow's milk, so I use cow's milk. And then you can also throw spinach, like I had said. For the pasta, I got linguine this time, and last time I did ground turkey, but this time I'm doing lean ground beef. Good source of protein, not so much fat. I got 2 different sauces for this one. I got a sun-dried tomato Alfredo, and I got a 3 cheese, all of that. 3 cheese with aged Asiago, Romano, and Parmesan. Oof, it's a mouthful. But that's for one and that's for another, just so that I can spruce it up and not feel like I'm eating the same thing every single day. And then for snacks, I remember last time I mentioned that I like cereal, but this time I got let's say a healthier cereal than Corn Pops. Strawberries, oats, so that's good. And then here, I like to make ramen at home with like egg. You just boil it. These were only 25 cents, which is great, but the sodium in these is ridiculous. It's about 890 milligrams of sodium. It's 37% salt. It's yeah, not good. But to cut that down, you can just use maybe half the packet of the seasoning, or if not at all. But I definitely want the oriental flavor with my ramen, so I will just use half, so that it's only 445 milligrams, which still is a lot, but you know, it's not for every day or multiple times a day, and I like ramen, so it is what it is. And then I got some white cheddar cheese popcorn. Last time I got almonds to take for work, but this I got this time because sometimes I take lunch that isn't the one that I cooked. I'll take like sandwiches, like a tuna sandwich or like a turkey sandwich, and like as a side, we'll just take portions of popcorn. And it's not terrible. It's not like potato chips. It's gluten free. It's whole grain. I know it's still like popcorn, but yeah, like I said, it's semi-healthy. You still get to like have fun and not feel super restricted, and everything is okay with portion control as long as you're not eating like the entire thing of popcorn every single day. You'll be fine. And then I got some Parmesan Romano for my pasta because I like cheese. And then Walmart had these like parsley flakes and minced onions for $1 each, which is great. You can season like anything with those things. So yeah, that about sums it up. This is about $45 worth of food. And I hope it gives you some ideas of what you can cook and how to just be a little bit more healthy um, without overly restricting yourself. So until next time. So there, you can see the ground meat that I'm cooking. I put the parsley flakes and the minced onions. It looks beautiful. And then now I'm about to add some salt and pepper as the water boils. This will cook. So remember when I told you you can use spinach for a lot of things? It looks like a lot, but it's gonna, that stuff gets like super small. So watch. Man. See, it's barely any, so now I have to put more spinach. The spinach shrinks. So don't be afraid to put a lot. That's still cooking. Well, it was boiling when I had the lid on this. Yep, I'm shoving it in there. Look here. So what I did here was separate the meat like I did the last time, so that I can use a portion of it for the pasta. But if I'd like, I don't have to just eat this with pasta. I have purchased these. Remember the whole grain brown rice for about $1.50. Boom! With that, you have your protein, you have your veggie, and you have carbohydrates. So, boom! Lots of variety. Simple. I'm almost done cooking this, and semi-healthy, you know. So that's the finished product. Boom! Tasty. Can't wait to eat it. And I have about 2 days worth of lunch. One's bigger than the other. One day I'll probably try to eat lighter, or probably just bring some fruit or yogurt to fill me up instead of having like a full portion. So yeah, man. It would have made maybe about 1 or 2 more to take with me, but I needed to eat dinner tonight, so there's like probably 2 portions here. I'm fat. LOL, no, I'm just hungry. So yeah, try it out. So here I'm making a smoothie. There's ice, there's the fruit mix, spinach, and orange juice. There's the final product. Mmm. Remember I mentioned you can use the tortillas to make breakfast tacos? Well, I'm doing breakfast tacos but for dinner. So there's the ground beef, eggs, spinach, and some cheese. Pretty quick to make. And then I'm gonna warm up the tortillas and I'll show you what that looks like. I threw some bacon in there and some Valentina hot sauce. And then here's the finished product of the tacos. They were so good. I made about 3. Yeah, great for dinner or breakfast. Look at that. And then here's the other shake with the other fruit mix, orange juice and spinach. No ice this time. It comes out green.